Hello, today we will guide you through how to sell physical products in Payhip. In this walkthrough, we'll set up a new physical product from start to finish so it's ready for customers to view and buy. Make sure you're signed into your Payhip account and on the main dashboard before we begin. From your Payhip dashboard, locate the main navigation and open the products section. This is your central hub for everything you sell. You'll be able to see existing items here later and return to make edits anytime. Next, choose the option to add a new product. This opens a clean product setup page where you'll provide the key details shoppers need to make a confident purchase. When prompted for the product type, select Physical Product. This tells Payhip you'll be shipping a tangible item rather than delivering a download or service, and it enables the fields relevant to physical goods. Start by entering a clear, descriptive product title. Keep it concise but specific so customers instantly understand what you're selling. If your item has a defining characteristic, like material, size, or intended use, consider including that in the title to improve clarity and searchability. Set your price next. Enter the amount you want customers to pay for a single unit. Keep your overall costs in mind, including materials, packaging, and shipping, so your price supports a healthy margin. Ensure the currency shown matches your store's settings. Upload at least one high-quality product photo. Choose well-lit images on a clean background that accurately show color and detail. A square or slightly rectangular image often displays best. If you have multiple angles or lifestyle shots, include them to help shoppers visualize the product in real life. Add a thoughtful product description, start with a concise overview, then list the most important details such as dimensions, weight, materials, what's included in the box, and any care or usage notes. If shipping times or handling notes matter for this item, mention them here so expectations are clear before checkout. Aim for friendly, factual language that answers common buyer questions. Once you've reviewed the title, price, photos, and description, scroll to the bottom and select Add Product. Payhip will save everything and create your product listing. After it's added, you can preview the page, confirm that images and text look great, and return to the products area to edit anytime. That's it. You've successfully created a physical product in Payhip. Repeat these steps for each item you want to sell, and keep refining titles, images, and descriptions to boost buyer confidence and conversions.